The most entertaining and fun case of appeal of 2024 was and is regarding a name change. A woman wanted to change her name to Candy Bimbo Doll, and the trial court denied it. California case of appeal reversed it, so she was able to get that name. But how is the court processing this? So let's get into it. First of all, in order to get a name changed, someone would need to submit an application, the applicant who wants to change the name, then that needs to be approved, and then before the next hearing, the applicant would need to submit that to the newspaper, so it's published for 4 consecutive weeks, and if there are no objections, and also the court would need to submit it to the police department, so there is no sexual offenders under this name or anything that could stand in the way, then the court would consider approving the name change, unless it's offensive or vulgar. And trial court took it under consideration, looked at Oxford English Dictionary, and said bimbo is a young woman considered to be sexually attractive, however, with limited intelligence. And therefore, I'm going to deny the name change because it's vulgar and offensive. So that woman appealed, and California case of appeal reversed it. And just so you know, there are only approximately 2 cases a year that California Court of Appeal reversed it based on abuse of discretion, and probably only to give us hope to even file for appeal. There are a limited amount of cases that are being approved by appeal, especially when someone is claiming abuse of discretion. There are some judges who said, in 40 years as an appellate justice, I never reversed a case because of abuse of discretion. And someone jokingly said, well, maybe because you didn't look hard enough. But that's what's going on. If you're going through divorce and you would like to have everything in one place in an engaging way, this is your book. I created this book to help you understand the divorce process without getting lost or without getting a heart attack. You can buy it on Amazon in all formats, including audio format. So this case was reversed because of abuse of discretion. And Court of Appeal said there has to be 2 reasons to deny a name change. If someone is attempting to defraud the public, for example, if there is a known name out there that everyone knows who that is, and that person tries to change that name to that person's name so that they can do shady business and pretend to be another person, obviously they're not going to get it granted. Or they try to intentionally, if you cannot prove they would defraud someone, but at least there is an appearance that they would intentionally confuse someone. So I don't know, if someone said, I want to be called Disney or something, like literally confusing with Disney, or I'm just making it up. So probably would be more obvious. In this case, the judge said she's not trying to confuse anyone. She's not trying to defraud anyone. Therefore, the trial court erred in refusing letting her have this Candy Bimbo Doll name. Voila! That's the case. I hope you had fun listening, and I will see you in my next consultation. Bye!